Hi folks, this is your MWIS Fleeting View in association with Petzl. Now, this chart shows us where to expect lying snow, and the focus is on northern Scotland at the moment, particularly around the Cairngorms, where the greatest depths are in existence, and that will continue to be the story as we head onwards into the weekend. Even areas that haven't seen snowfall yet, terrain is extensively frozen from the valleys and the glens upwards, and we have some extensive rime ice as well over many higher surfaces, so do bear that in mind if you're heading out in the next few days. Just to briefly roll the story on, there's the potential for some accumulating snow shown here on the chart as roll through Friday and into Saturday, even further southwards over England and Wales. A dusting most likely, but one or two windward mountains in North Wales could see snow showers a bit more frequent for periods. So the scope for some lying snow almost anywhere on high tops, but it's still those north facing mountains that would see the greatest amounts heading for the weekend. The weather map as we go into Friday looks like this. We have a shallow area of low pressure just over the North Sea, a broadly northerly airflow from Scandinavia coming across the country as a north-northwesterly wind for many places, with some sunshine and some areas and clusters of snow and hail showers. Those focused around coastal districts in northwest Scotland, a few areas of snow showers coming into the Cairngorms again, and some clusters coming down the Irish Sea into North and West Wales at times. Elsewhere, mostly dry and bright, but bitterly cold feel where exposed to the wind. It's not particularly strong, could be a bit blustery around some tops, but that significant wind chill factor feeling like -10 to -15 over exposed terrain. To take the sequence into the weekend, and there'll only be subtle changes to that general weather story. This is later Friday, and there may be a few showers that get in from the Irish Sea even toward the Western Peak District for a time, but many of the showers are still near to those windward north-facing coastal areas and running inland for some. Now, the wind direction may be just shifting a bit more north to northeasterly as we head onwards into Saturday, particularly across Scotland and northern England. So snow showers would feed in to more sort of eastern-facing areas around the Cairngorms, some zones around the Moray Firth, and also into the Borders and the Cheviots. Western North Wales too, seeing some showers feeding inland from the Irish Sea. Best of sunshine for Saturday is out towards Western Scotland. Northern England around the Lake District may do pretty well as well through Saturday. The wind speed not particularly strong, but blustery in places, and again do be aware of that marked chill factor on any exposed terrain. Through into Sunday, and we see a similar sort of pattern, just a bit of uncertainty of the strength of the wind as the northeasterly, particularly for southern Scotland and northern England, could become quite gusty here, but just watch that detail in the forecasts. Again, just prepare for that marked wind chill across the mountains. Some snow showers and flurries once more feeding in from the northeast, eastern Scotland, and around the eastern side of the Pennines most likely. One or two flurries could crop up elsewhere, but once again, it's more sort of central western regions best for sunshine. Throughout the weekend, more north and northeastern facing mountains are prone to banks of cloud, which may well shroud these areas quite frequently, with cloud breaks and sunshine best further towards the west and southwest of major hill groups. So looking a decent wintry weekend ahead, that is your MWIS Fleeting View in association with Petzl.